Today we are talking about the weight loss tips. Please stay with me, stay here, stay focused, and let's jot down 5 simple, practical ways on how we can do weight loss. Have you ever looked yourself in the mirror and feel like, I wish I was better. I want to look better. I wish to live a healthier lifestyle. But you're like, where do I even start from? Because this imagination makes you feel like it is impossible to cut or lose weight. Well, you are not alone. I have been there before. Weight loss can mean to be very overwhelming. An imagination of weight loss can mean to be so overwhelming. And just know it is always possible. I mean, you can do it because other people have done it. I have personally done it. I was there. I mean, I had all those imaginations that you can think about. But I look better now. Cutting weight or weight loss is not only for the celebrities. Neither is it only for maybe fitness influencers. No, you can do it. It is possible. I want to let you know that as long as you put your attention, you give it your mind, and stay focused, you can also be the other best weight that you have desired from your friend, from an influencer, from a celebrity. Stay here with me. If you know that you are determined to cut weight this month, for example, listen this video from the first to the last word, and trust me, you're not gonna remain the same. Hey, welcome to the Health Awareness channel. It is another day for you to learn something with Dr. Kalenzi. I'm a licensed medical officer, an ophthalmologist in training, and also have training in weight loss. And in this video, I want to take you through 5 practical, simple, as long as you get consistent with this that I'm going to share, I know you're going to tell me that I have results at the end of this month. And if you're very new to my channel, like it's the very first time to see my videos, please subscribe, hit a bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And therefore, without wasting much of the time, let us look at these practical ways that we can do and impact our lives positively. So the first and most important thing in weight loss is eating natural food. I don't know whether you will know the value of what I'm talking about, but there is power in eating natural foods that are made at home. Foods, I mean, if you're taking fruits, go and buy pineapple, take avocado, take mangoes. If you're eating carbohydrates, look at the natural millet that you have at home, matoke, cassava, the foods that are made at home. I know some people live a life whereby the only food they are depending on their daily basis is going to a cafe and order for lunch, is passed by Chikomando, a place where they make chapat from, and you order a chapat and have it for lunch or supper. I mean, that kind of food is unhealthy for you, and it carries a lot of calories, and yet it's not even healthy to your body. Therefore, if you want to lose weight, if you want to be practical in the weight loss tips, you must do away with processed diet and have natural foods as your number 1 diet. Trust me, this is so practical and it works. It works. If you know you are a person who, for example, takes chapati per day, let it be out of your diet. If you know a kind of person who goes every day to buy a takeaway from somewhere, chips, chapat, chicken, and all those are processed foods away from home, I request you to just have this cancelled right away from today. And trust me, you just weigh yourself today and see if you choose to eat homemade food, how much weight you're gonna lose. Number 2, watch your size of your plate. I mean, watch the kind of portions that you're eating, because some people want to have a full heavy plate of carbohydrates and still expect themselves to lose weight. This is not possible. You must ensure that the kind of plate you are taking is not full of carbohydrates. After all, the body had stored a lot of glucose in form of fat that you see on your belly actually. all that you're seeing is glucose, but in form of fat. So that in case something happens and you stay in a place where there is no food, that fat can be broken down into sugars that your body can feed on for almost 2 weeks. So you are not going to starve by just saying, let me eat 3 fingers, say, of matoke or one potato. No, you're not going to starve. It's just in your mind. So if you want to lose weight, just begin from today. Have a small portion of the plate. Number 3, avoid added and processed sugars. These already processed foods, ice cream, cakes, chocolate. I mean, all these sugars you're taking in, that you find in soda, that you find in uh, yogurt, are unhealthy for your body. And they are the reason why you have continuously added weight without you notice. And you think you're okay with it. You just don't know the impact that it has on your body. So if you really want to start on a weight loss plan, would you consider stopping these added sugars and processed sugars? Okay, they would actually make a very great difference. If you just choose to say, no, I am done, I am telling you the truth, you'll find this like a magic thing. So employ this, and you will see the impact it will have on your health. Number 4, increase your intake of proteins. Proteins are a better diet because they help in metabolism, but they also help us control our appetite. Unlike the carbohydrates, which make us have a craving for more and more, the proteins make us lose the appetite, but also improve our metabolism. And that this works to our advantage. Now, it will help us reduce the spikes of the sugars that we get after intake of a carbohydrate, of just a soda or even a pasted bread, and help you metabolize the foods that you have eaten. You have to ensure that you hydrate. Rehydrate yourself. Make sure that at least in a day you take minimum of 6 glasses of water. This water keeps you have a state of feeling that you are full. It rehydrates you. It maintains your electrolytes in the normal levels, and this helps you at least to keep your day when you are stronger. For those who don't like water, maybe they find it so difficult to drink water, at least spice it up. Have some lemongrass, put some mint, maybe add some non-sugary chocolate. This is going to help you. Take a cup of coffee. I mean, make sure that in a day at least have a minimum of 5 glasses. It will help you make your electrolytes at least stay, like body sugars. It will help them stay in the normal range. It will energize you and keeps you, I mean, your skin will also keep looking good. It helps you to keep your skin tagger. In addition to all that I've mentioned above, as somebody who is focused to lose your weight, you must exercise. At least take a walk for about 30 minutes. Those walks are very significant as far as the health of your body is concerned. They are very important for your heart. And another important note is stop snacking anyhowly. Somebody that has intended their mind to weight loss, you don't just meet things and you start biting. No, your mind is focused and ready. You're not just going to meet ice cream anywhere and take it. No. That one, if you have made up your mind to control your weight, that thing of eating any sugars anytime is unhealthy, and you must desist from. And another important thing is weigh yourself at least weekly to 2 weeks or a month if you can't do 2 weeks. Because if you weigh yourself often, it helps you to stay focused. I mean, your mind is under control. You know, now this I'm not taking because it may add. It keeps you motivated. So to start on this, just make up your mind and tell yourself, I can do it. It is possible. Other people have done it. I can also do. Start today and see at the end of the month. Is, for example, a person who takes a soda per day. That is so dangerous. Stop and see within 1 or 2 months what will happen. If you're a person who stocks bread all the time, change to eggs, have a banana. Those things are more important. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the end. I hope this video has been so helpful. And I'm very sure that if you incorporate all this, trust me, you can't fail to lose 5 kilograms a month. I am telling you the things that I've observed by myself. Another thing, do not forget to subscribe. Don't fail to give our video a like. Please share with a friend. Come into the comment section and tell me how you feel about your weight, what you wish you have done, what you have done, and maybe the challenges that you're going through, and I'm gonna share with you. And I also am able to draw for you a plan. I can design for you a meal plan that can help you cut weight at least within a month. You can cut even 10 kilograms, but at least it's good when you do moderate cutting. 5 kilograms a month, that's the best for anyone. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, God bless you.